If you're feeling weaker, fatigued, or just not as strong as you used to be, this video is for you. Scientific research shows that certain foods can significantly improve muscle health, especially as we age. So like, subscribe, and share, and let's jump right in. 1. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source with all 9 essential amino acids. They're especially rich in leucine, a key amino acid for muscle protein synthesis. Studies show that consuming eggs after workouts enhances muscle recovery and strength gains. 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with casein and whey protein, the perfect combo for fast and sustained muscle recovery. It also contains calcium and probiotics, which support bone and gut health, both critical for strength and mobility. 3. Salmon. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Research shows that omega-3s not only reduce inflammation, but also boost muscle protein synthesis and reduce age-related muscle loss. 4. Spinach. Don't underestimate this leafy green. Spinach contains nitrates that improve muscle efficiency and strength. It's also rich in magnesium and iron, essential for muscle function and oxygen transport. 5. Chickpeas. Also known as garbanzo beans, chickpeas are a plant-based protein powerhouse. They're high in fiber and slow-digesting carbs, great for sustained energy and muscle repair. 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a slow-digesting dairy rich in casein protein, ideal before bed. It helps reduce overnight muscle breakdown and supports nighttime recovery. 7. Quinoa. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein. It also provides magnesium, iron, and complex carbs, making it perfect for fueling muscles and enhancing performance. 8. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. They support muscle recovery and protect cells from oxidative stress after intense physical activity. 9. Lentils. Lentils are not just affordable, they're packed with protein, iron, and folate. They help repair muscles, boost endurance, and keep your energy levels steady. 10. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Studies show it helps reduce muscle soreness and speeds up recovery, making it a natural solution for active and aging individuals alike. Combining these foods with regular physical activity and strength training will give you the best results. Which of these do you already include in your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this.